Alright, I'm at my buddy's place, and we're so friggin' old, or this print is so small, we can't read. But this one is actually for Gabe. We're making, well, I'm not, he is making, hillbilly, trying to make some cornbread. So this one's for you, Gabe. We'll keep you informed as he's making.
Sugar and bacon. Okay,
So you're saying what? That you're a great chef?
yes, I am. Sugar.
You're all confused.
Flour.
We got an egg and sugar. Damn, he's gonna call somebody. He said he can't read the fucking print on here. That's small. Let me see that without the magnifying glass.
It's bad, man.
Yeah, and it's green on yellow. It's really hard to read unless we're like old. I'm really having a problem myself. So we got this and that going. So he's got all kinds of goodies going on. His table of wonders. Alright, he's getting his sugar and egg and salt.
Might as well leave the baking powder out till last so it doesn't overreact.
And you're the great chef?
I am.
Yes, you are.
I make a lot of neat things. You know, I could even make us a cherry pie, eh? We got cherries.
Make it like a cherry cake, a white cake, and then put cherries inside?
Someone's got to take the cherries and splits out there.
Cherries. He's got some too.
Take the splits.
What?
You gotta take the seeds out though. Unless you want to crunch it.
See. Getting the dry ingredients in there. And we're down to the corn flour next. He's using a...
Everything's in now.
Oh, is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all ready to go.
He's using a paint stick to mix it all up. This is how it's done here at B's Farm. What should we call you? And guess what? You ain't gonna imagine how we're gonna bake this puppy. The microwave. In the microwave. Because we don't have an oven, we're too poor to have an oven. So it's more or less a wood stove, microwave, barbecue. How's that coming along?
Perfect. Looks like it'll work.
So you're mixing like something to fix walls with.
It is.
Yeah.
This is the old recipe for wall mix. And you sand her down. That's why the sand's in it, so you can sand it down.
So I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like. Is this what it looks like, Gabe, when your mom made it? I don't know, but he's just experimenting. It's first time. He's like, hey, you know how to bake bread, let's make some cornbread. Holy shit, I've never made cornbread before. So, yeah, the magnifying glass. Oh, now he's going to pour it in there. Some glass dish. Wasn't following instructions whatsoever. Everyth's eyed out.
So where do you think you are right now?
So who knows what the hell it's gonna be. You gonna eat your cornbread?
That's before
Before?
have an after kitchen.
Alright. Okay, well that's done, he says. How long did you cook it in the microwave for?
You have to put it on bake before. Like what it says on there.
Bake? He says it's good. So you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Sure.
So you gonna eat your cornbread?
Yep.
Alright, this is enough for me. I gotta go to bed.